Good morning to all. Today we will discuss the IUPAC nomenclature of the organic compounds. So first, what is the full form of IUPAC? So IUPAC is a system which will acceptable in a whole world for the nomenclature of the organic compounds. So I is stand for the international, U for the union, of, P pure, and A for the applied, C for chemistry. So basically, the IUPAC is the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. So International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry basically given a nomenclature of the organic compounds which are acceptable in a whole world. Same name, just like we are pronouncing a methanol, ethanol. They all are the IUPAC names are the acceptable in all country. When you are saying in India it is ethanol, then in a USA, in another country, the same name are acceptable of the compound for the compounds. Okay, so we will discuss the IUPAC nomenclature here. So just through a simple example, just like my name is Mr. Hridayanand Singh. So it is my name. So in my name, I subdivided into the four parts. Mr. is a one is a except it's a this for the respect you mention the Mr. So it is a prefix here. Hridayanand is a word root. You know that Hridayanand is my actually name, and Hridaya is my word root, and the Nand is a primary suffix actually, and C is the secondary suffix. So these four portions are actually responsible for the through which my name is actually written here. The Hridayanand Singh, Mr. Hridayanand Singh. Mr. is the prime prefix here, and the Hridaya is the word root, name is the primary suffix, and the C is the secondary suffix. So just like a very simple, I have given a one example here. 3-methyl but 2 in 1 all. Just I have given a written only example. 3-methyl but 2 in 1 all. It is a one compound. So 3-methyl. Methyl is a what it is? Methyl is a prefix here. It is the prefix here. And but is the word root. It is the word root here. So 3-methyl. Methyl group is a ethyl, methyl, propyl. It is a substitution actually. When we will give the nomenclature, when we will give the IUPAC nomenclature, so 3-methyl is a substitution. It is a substitution in a word root but. But is the longest chain. So but is the word root, and prefix we mentioned the methyl group is here, and in and all two things are here. So in is the primary suffix. It is the primary suffix, and the secondary suffix is on. So it is a secondary suffix. So these four things are basically required for the IUPAC nomenclature. So just simply we can explain all the things here. Just like a word root. What is the word root? Word root. So what is the word roots? So word root means it will denote the longest chain of the compound. Just like a meth, eighth, proof, but, pent. So one carbon means the meth. You know that the one carbon is here, so meth. Eighth means the two carbon is here, so it is the eighth. Proof. So number of carbon is increasing now. Then these are it is actually showing the word root. Meth, eighth, proof, but, pent, hex, hept. So these all the terms: meth, eighth, proof, but, pent, hex, hept, oct, non, dec. So these all are the word roots. So word root are explaining the number of carbon atoms which are present in a chain. Undec, dodec are also the for the 11 and 12 carbon. Not required to just we will discuss here. Just you understand the meth, heth, proof, but, pent, hex, hept, oct, non, dec. These are the word roots. Okay, so these are defining the number of carbon atom, and it is a prefix. prefix, just like a one substitution, just like I will explain, I will mention the structure of these compound. So in a methyl group are substituted. But means the 4, just like meth, 8, pro, but. So but is here, and the 3 methyl group are attached here. So just you assume here all group are present here, one all. So second position, it is the second position. Second position is having a double bond, so ene is here, and the 3 methyl group. So it is the first carbon, second carbon, third carbon. Methyl group is here, CS3 is here. Properly you can write down CS3 is here. So CH, आपको पता ही, you know that CS3 is mentioned here now. Already the 4 valency is there. One hydrogen is required here, so you can mention the one hydrogen here, and 2 hydrogen is here. So all the places which are remaining, which are we will complete it through the proton. The valency we can complete it through the proton. So it is the structure of these particular. So what is the? It is the first position. It is the second position. It is the third position. So the longest chain is a 4 carbon chain methane probute, and third position is attached for the methyl group. So methyl I have mentioned as a prefix form. It is a prefix. It is a prefix. It is a prefix. You can it is a prefix. So next is the word root. You know that longation is a word root. So already mentioned here but, 2 ene primary suffix is here, because already two particularly one ene group are present here, and one hydroxyl functional group is present here. So we will give the preference of hydroxyl group. So when we will give the we will give the preference of hydroxyl group. So the ene group are work as a primary suffix. So primary suffix is a 2e. So we can write down the 2e. It is a primary suffix. So which are the primary suffix? Ene, alkane, alkene, alkyne. These are the primary. Ene are the primary suffix. And secondary suffix are generally we will mention here OH. It is a functional group. So we can one all. Alcohol. OH means the alcohol. So through these particularly simple method of the nomenclature, we can generally able to give the nomenclature of the compound. Generally we can mention the nomenclature of the compound. So secondary suffix is a different functional group, like you know that the alcoholic group, aldehyde group, ketonic group. So they are the secondary suffix. We will mention in a second secondary suffix. When the two functional groups are present in any compound, then according to the preference of the, just like a carboxylic group are the more preferred comparatively the hydroxyl group. So we will prefer the carboxylic functional group. So carboxylic functional group is work there as a secondary suffix, and OH group we will mention in a primary suffix. So in a step by step we will discuss. We will discuss through the examples of the various compound nomenclatures.